Today we're diving into one of my favorite manifestation techniques, scripting. If you've ever imagined your dream life and wished you could step right into it, scripting is like that magic door. In this video, we'll explore how to use scripting to write out your future, prompts to guide you, and even a few success stories from people who've seen their dreams become reality through this practice. Scripting is the practice of writing down your life as if you've already living your dreams. Imagine describing your ideal day, job, or relationship as if it's unfolding right now. The idea is that by vividly imagining and detailing these moments, you're aligning yourself with the energy of already having what you want, which attracts it into your reality. When you script, you're not just writing goals, you're creating a mental movie, engaging emotions, and tapping into the power of belief. This turns writing into a powerful manifestation tool. Now, let's get into the fun part, actually scripting. I've got some prompts to help you focus on different goals. Feel free to grab a pen and follow along. Prompt number 1 is career and financial success. Here we're going to describe your ideal workday. What are you doing? Who are you working with? How does it feel to receive a message confirming a big opportunity or payment? Prompt number 2, love and relationships. Imagine waking up next to your ideal partner. What's the first thing they say to you? How do they make you feel? Describe your relationship as if it's already everything you've ever wanted. Prompt number 3, health and well-being. Write about a day where you feel absolutely vibrant and healthy. What are you doing? How does your body feel? Picture yourself effortlessly moving through your day with energy and joy. Prompt number 4, lifestyle and home. Imagine the home you're living in. Describe it in detail. What colors, furniture, or scents fill the space? Write about how you feel every time you walk through that door. Scripting has worked wonders for so many people. Let's go over a few success stories that might inspire you. One friend of mine scripted daily about her dream job for 6 months. She wrote down the feeling of excitement each morning, the kind of work she was doing, even the view from her office window. She didn't have all the experience at first, but the job she wanted eventually opened up and she got it. Scripting connects you to the life you want. It clarifies your desires and it can shift your mindset and energy toward becoming someone who's ready to receive those desires. So whether you're new to manifestation or looking for a powerful way to get clearer on your dreams, give scripting a try. Remember, when you write it as if it's already happening, you start aligning with that reality. Try these prompts, play around with your ideas, and see what flows. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more manifestation tips. Until next time, happy scripting and let's create the life of your dreams together.